That's a Bombardier plane, or as you call it down in the States, Bombardier. Check these guys out with their fucking loud. Yeah, man. Stanza. Sweet. Still hoping to see the Air Cubana de Aviación. Hopefully on this runway, but I probably won't because I never catch that fucking plane. Man, I think that's the shortest space I've ever seen between a plane taking off and one that's about to land behind it. Something. Ain't she a beauty? But so is this. Oh, I believe that's the Air France A340 Airbus. Arriving late. Oh yeah. Yeah, fucking running almost 45 minutes late. Could be because of the high winds. Maybe that's also why I haven't seen the Air Urbana A319 come in yet, or that, or he landed at the other fucking runway, and once again I have not seen one in person. We'll see. Here comes another biggie. Could be Royal Air Maroc. Air Morocco. Oh baby. No, KLM. Earlier arrival, A330. Come fly with me, come fly away. Da, 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 do, 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 do. Don't like my singing and talking? Go watch something else, please. No bother commenting negativity. I'm the fucking king of negativity. Hey, third mother, big mother in a row, man. That's like, doesn't happen often, you know? This isn't fucking JFK airport here, you know what I mean? This isn't Pearson. Montreal's like a fucking small town compared to other big cities, and the fact that we don't get as many huge planes coming in is proof of that. And I think this one's Air Maroc. Look at the high winds pushing it there. Yeah. No, Air Transat, A330. Shit, man, 4 big planes in a row. I don't think that's ever happened before. Oh wow, what's that? I don't even know what that is. For those of you who don't know, I am visually impaired, you know. Yeah, therefore I can't drive any old cars that I love, but you gotta take the bus or ride a bike, but ride a bike with style, you know what I'm saying? True vintage, not a replica. United we stand, divided we fall. Come on now people, let's get on the ball and get together. Come on, let's get together. Yeah, baby. Big motherfucking plane coming in. Bigger the better. There it is. There's my Ruck, A330. Yeah, baby. Running 50 minutes late due to the high winds. There it is, baby, the vintage 737 Boeing, smoking it up. 737-200, Air Inuit. Yeah. Why did it look like it was painted like Air Canada Rouge, though? What the hell was that all about? It's fucking weird. Yeah, man, right on schedule. Nice. It's Caliber limousine. Not common. Seeing a lot of beautiful cars here on this terrific summer-like day. Now the focus is on a big-ass plane about to land here. I don't know from which carrier. Fucking right, it's the Corsair. Beautiful. Corsair bus A330. Yeah, man, that's awesome. I think that flight was originally scheduled to come in later. Right on, right on, right on.